Images can be added to listings, and once added, these images can be used for marketing through portals, your own website, and from the property brochure. These images can be photos, renders, floor plans, or any other image that you would like to use in the marketing of the listing. To add images, go to the Image and Media tab in the listing record page and click on the Click to Upload Images section. You can then either drag and drop photo files to this box or click on it to bring the file search box. Select the image you want to upload to this listing and click the Upload button. The image will be added to this section below, showing you a thumbnail of the image and details, as well as a series of tags and buttons to download, edit, or delete the image. You can edit the name of a field by clicking the Edit button, changing the name and clicking Save. We recommend that you do this so that finding the images later is easy. For floor plan images, the file name will be what displays on the property brochure page for this floor plan, so we recommend saying which floor it is, for example, ground floor or first floor.